Jai Hind students, let us start our biology class under chapter 3 human reproduction. Our today's subheading, that is human male reproductive system. The male reproductive system is located in the pelvis region, which is concerned with the formation of the male gamete or the spermatozoa. It is formed of a pair of testes, accessory reproductive ducts, accessory reproductive glands, and external genitalia. Testes. Testes are situated outside the abdominal cavity, covered by a sac called scrotal sacs or scrotum. Hence, extra-abdominal. The scrotal sacs act as a thermoregulator. It helps to keep the testicular temperature 2 to 2.5 degrees Celsius lower than the body temperature for the normal spermatogenesis. Each testis is externally covered by a white fibrous capsule. Each testis is oval with a length of about 4 to 5 cm and a width of about 2 to 3 cm. Each testis is divided into 250 compartments called testicular lobules. Each testicular lobule contains 1 to 3 highly coiled seminiferous tubules which are lined by germinal epithelium in which the sperms or the male gametes are produced. The seminiferous tubules on its inside, lined by two different types of cells, the spermatogonia and the Sertoli cells. The spermatogonia undergoes meiotic division and result in the formation of the male gamete, the spermatozoa, which are haploid and motile. The Sertoli cells provide nourishment to the formed spermatozoa. On the outer region of seminiferous tubules, there present interstitial cells or the Leydig cells. These cells produces the male sex hormone androgen. The androgen is responsible for maintaining the secondary sexual characteristics of male and also spermatogenesis. The accessory duct system consists of retitestis, vasa efferentia, epididymis, and vas deferens. These ducts helps in the transport of sperms via urethra it opens outside through its external opening called urethral meatus. The secretions of male accessory glands like seminal vesicles, prostate glands, and bulbourethral glands or Kaupos glands are also added along with the spermatozoa. These secretions along with the spermatozoa is called semen. The accessory male reproductive ducts. The male accessory ducts consist of retitestis, vasa efferentia, epididymis, and vas deferens. The seminiferous tubules opens into vasa efferentia through retitestis. The vasa efferentia leave the testis and opens into epididymis located along the posterior surface of each testis. The epididymis leads to vas deferens that ascends into the abdominal or pelvic cavity. It loops over the urinary bladder and receives a duct from the ejaculatory duct. These ducts store and transport the sperms from the testis to the outside through urethra. The urethra originates from the urinary bladder and extends through the penis to its external opening called urethral meatus. Accessory or secondary genital glands of male. These are of three types. Seminal vesicles. These are a pair of elongated muscular glands present in the pelvis between the bladder and rectum. Function. Secretion of seminal vesicles forms about 60 to 70% of semen and is formed of fructose, citrate, several proteins and prostaglandins which activate the spermatozoa. Prostate gland. It is a large, spongy and lobulated gland which surrounds the proximal part of urethra. It pours its alkaline secretion into urethra. It contains some lipids, small amount of citric acid, bicarbonate ions, and a few enzymes. Example, fibrinolysin. Function. Secretions of prostate glands activate the sperms, provides nutrition to sperms, and neutralizes the acidity of urine and adjusts vaginal pH. Kaupos gland or bulbourethral glands. These are a pair of glands which are white, pea-seed sized glands. Function. Secretions of these glands are mucus-like alkaline substance. It acts as lubricant. Secretion of accessory sex glands is called seminal plasma. It is rich in fructose, citrate, prostaglandins, calcium, and certain enzymes. Seminal fluid along with the sperms is called semen. It also maintains the viability and motility of sperms as it provides proper pH and ionic strength. Sperms form 10% of the volume of semen.